You guys are gonna hate me. So listen, I've got 2 clips for the day, and that's it. The first clip is me and my sister wrestling. Oh, sorry! Ow, my rib!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ow, stop kicking my ribs!
Your foot almost went directly in my nose.
In your nose?
Don't kick me. You better take off your glasses.
Submit.
I quit.
You tap out?
I quit. I can't breathe.
You gotta tap out.
I tap out. I can't hear out of my left ear. Is it bleeding?
Good morning.
No! God!
Oh!
I'm not a puncher. I'm a kicker. I'm a smoker.
I'm a joker.
I'm a midnight toker.
Oh! Your legs are hairy!
So?
Free me!
So you come here often?
Oh, okay.
My legs are extremely strong.
Okay. Okay, I quit.
Oh, poor Raina's so concerned. No, Raina, don't jump up here.
It's okay, Raina. Not your head against the nightstand.
Ouch!
Oh, yeah, spank. Oh, you punched her in the face every
I'm sorry. It's a
There goes her
reflex.
jaw.
I'm pretty sure my thumb just went dumb. Went dumb.
Dum, dum, dum.
I can't hear out of my left ear still.
Why?
Where's your tickle spot?
I can't tell you. I'll tell you once I get up.
And her tummy. Her tummy and her underarms.
No, she's been tickling my underarms for like 15 minutes.
And her tummy.
It's her tummy. Oh, it's her neck. It's her neck. Okay. Yeah, it's
No,
her
it's not my
tummy.
neck. It's not my neck.
It's her
It's not
tummy.
my neck.
It's her tummy.
Oh, I heard a bone pop, Yvette. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I give.
Okay, me too. Get up.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Goodbye.
Hi, princess.
Hi, mommy.
The second clip is at nighttime. One, it's really late at night, and so I'm crying right now because I'm also tired. But also, I just made my mom scream to death.
Right.
The loudest scream I have ever heard come out of your mouth. Ever. Ever.
Made me cry.
So let's reenact what happened. Go, Mom.
I was in here.
She's in
trying-
here. She's trying to figure out where she's gonna put the milk.
But no, and the cake and everything. But I was like in my thoughts and kind of like trying to fix the fridge, and I didn't know where to put the cake.
All
And
I do.
swear that all of a sudden there was someone in here inside the fridge with me, and I didn't hear anything. But this time it was a horror. Like it was really scary. Like right now my heart's still beating so bad.
All I did was go like this and tap her shoulder. And she freaked out
And
so bad.
I swear that I have never been so scared in my life for anything. This is the first time.
The scream that came out of her mouth, my uncle said that he
Was a
thought
horror.
that somebody stepped on the dog's tail. That's how loud her scream was, like a high-pitched puppy that's screaming.
Don't you ever. Oi!
What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
Yeah, but you really, I was like, I'm really sleepy and everything, and I started crying. You scared me so bad.
It's crazy. And that's all I have for the day. And yeah, that's it. And it's not that I didn't do stuff yesterday. Like I played poker, and I taught my cousin Illy how to play poker. We went out to go eat pho. But I just didn't feel like filming, and I hope you guys understand. I just didn't feel like it. Sometimes, you know, you guys know those days, sometimes you just don't feel like doing anything. Today was one of those days. I apologize for it. I feel like this room is really quiet right now, and like there's a lot of echo. Normally there's not. Also, I'm breaking out just things that I didn't talk about yet. So I apologize for not filming practically anything yesterday. But the good news is in tomorrow's vlog, there's going to be a lot of stuff going on. And you guys know most Sundays I put up a very lazy Sunday vlog, or that vlog goes up Mondays. Well, since today's Sunday, the vlog that's gonna go up on Monday will be a good vlog. So consider this one your lazy Sunday vlog, even though it was filmed on a Saturday. I will film a lot at the basketball game,
and stuff like that. We're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be fun. I would say let's go see what Yvette's doing, but I think she's probably getting dressed. So we're gonna go to this Kings game together. Those of you guys who don't know, I live in the Sacramento area. I don't live in Sacramento, but I live in the Sacramento area. And our basketball team here is the Sacramento Kings. Yeah, we're gonna go watch a game with Jess and Gio too, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So expect that tomorrow. Again, I'm sorry for not filming much yesterday. Some days I feel like I need an off day from vlogging, which obviously is like a thing I can't do. I mean, I could technically stop, but it's something I don't wanna do. I just needed one break. I'll see y'all later. Thank you guys for watching even this terrible vlog. I hope you understand. Bye.